بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين. السلام عليكم. Today in this video I will be doing a basic breakdown of vectors in game dev. So stay tuned to watch and understand what are vectors in game dev if you are struggling with this topic, and also if you just want to refresh. This is basically in GCSE terms, so يعني it is very easy to follow. So يلا let's start. So in simple terms, a vector is just a quantity that tells us in what direction to move and where to move and the size of the direction. So this is counting as a vector quantity as part of scalar and vector quantity. So there is a form of vectors called column vectors, as you can see in the numbers above 5 and 3. 5 represents the x value and y represents the down and up value. So x is up is left and right, y is up and down. So for example, if the units on the x are positive, that means you are going right. But if they are negative, means you're going left. And the same applies for the y-axis. If you are on negative, that means you are going down. But if it is on positive, means you are going up. So this is how column vectors are used to tell us where we are going. This is on cardinal grids, so it is little different than يعني different types of vectors, because vectors they can come in different forms. For example, if you look at the GCSE paper, it is different than, for example, if it comes in now how we are talking in game dev. So that is just a way to represent vectors. A vector is important. Vectors are used almost everywhere in game dev. They are used to allow characters to move. They also help us in shooting mechanics. Because, for example, if you're making a top-down game, shooter game, they allow you to calculate the distance between the player's position and the cursor position. So this allows you to tell the bullet where to move. Basically, they are very important and we use them almost every day in game dev. So 2D versus 3D vectors. So in 2D games, how we just told them, they are used to give us a place to move in grids, because in 2D games usually they are in grid space. That's in 2D games. In 3D games, it's the same idea, just that there is one more direction that we have to use. So now let's go on to the next point. Now let's go over common vector functions. The normalize function in vectors. This is usually in Unity, and it is used to fix a common issue in 2D games where the speed of the player while moving diagonally, يعني for example, if he's pressing W and A or W and D, it's faster than if he's going in a regular cardinal direction, which just means up or down or left or right. So it helps us fix this issue. Magnitude, this just allows us to find the size of the vector. This is also a unity function. So on to our final point for today's video. Why do you need to know this? Because if you understand this concept, you will understand a lot of things which we are doing in a day-to-day basis in game development. Yeah, and then this will put you at an advantage at others who might not understand this concept. So it will also help you understand physics in game dev, which is very important. So that also makes you feel like a wizard in your knowledge, because يعني you know something that many people they don't know.
فهنا يا جماعة الخير انتهى المقطع، وبإذن الله تعالى سأراكم في المقطع القادم على خير، وإلى اللقاء، مع السلامة.